So I'm here with another review and open box video. Today I'm gonna review gingerbread train kit and we will see what is the condition of the breads when I open it and what stuff I got inside the box and final how it looks like when you done. Welcome to my cooking show. So this is the gingerbread train kit that I got from Amazon for only $15. Like my last gingerbread Mario Castle, this one is also broken. I also contacted the seller and he said that is very normal, that happens while shipping and handling. That is why buying this thing online is way cheaper than buying from the store. It's almost double the price when you purchase direct from the store like Walmart. But sad part is it's very hard to find your desired design, and that makes sense. Anyways, let's move on. So it comes with 2 packs of color cream, white and red. They also include couple of decorating bags, an instruction manual which is so helpful. This one is cake fondant and the color of that fondant is yellow. Green icing gel and bunch of decorating candies. And last, 2 decorating tips. So let's see how badly broken is. And thankfully they are super easy to fix. I'm not gonna show you the fixing process since this is the review video. And by the way guys, this is not a sponsored video. I just love to make those gingerbread houses and castles. And also if you wanna know how I am gonna fix those broken pieces, so you guys should watch my Mario Castle gingerbread diorama video. I will put link to that video in the description box below. Anyways, luckily all the front or one-sided pieces are perfectly fine. So I'm gonna show you one so you can get the idea how simple is that to build. In that stage is a free choice how you build or decorate your train kit, but I am gonna follow the design which comes with it. I have some leftover creams from my last project, so I'm gonna use that one first. So after you fix everything, it should like this, all set, all well. You can hide those cracks by decoration. As you can see, one view is completely okay, but I'm gonna make both sides work. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make train wheels. Here I'm gonna use my own black color fondant, but you can use yellow or cream instead. So after this, if you want to fill top with candies or anything, go ahead. But in my case, I'm gonna leave it empty. So everything is done, and like I mentioned it before, that I'm gonna make both sides work, so here we are. And I like to mention one more thing, guys. If you guys want these kits for yourself, so you guys should check my Amazon store that I recently opened it. I put all the awesome kits for you guys with the cheapest price and with the design wise. And of course, that also helps me to create more videos like this. So check my store www.amazon.com/shop/what'scooking and enjoy your kits. And I also purchased a lot of kits for my future videos that I'm gonna go crazy with it, cause it's really fun to make and it's also a good piece of decoration. And my upcoming video is about this gingerbread village, where I'm gonna make the full village and also include my Mario castle and this lovely train set. So stay tuned, guys, more stuff is yet to come. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question regarding this video, please comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video as I enjoy by making this video. So until my next video, bye bye.